everyone, this is the Steampunk Spells folio. You've got a cutting guide that goes with this. If you just contact us, email us, and we can send the PDF out to you. It is a free one. So you've got the front cover here, got the spine there, and then the back cover there. And then when we go in here, you can see that both these pages match, and these on the top here are actually little pockets there and there. So we'll do the left side first. So this opens out, got photo mats there, and these are using our angled photo slots. And then you've got another pocket there, and this is from our back matting tags. And then I've just put just straighten it up, just put our angled photo slots inside there. So that's like that. Then that opens up. Got another pocket here. In here, you've got more photo slots here. Pop that in there. I can see that one's come out. That's it. And here. And then this here is our little, it's the little mini half circle handle from our hardware die set. So lift up on there, come this way, and then you can see at the top you've got a lift up flap with a pocket, and then down here you've got more photo storage. And then if we lift this out, you've got pockets here and here, and then here on your base one I've actually used a curved pierced pocket slot, so that will give you an invisible pocket there. So that is the left hand side, and there's a tutorial for making up the folio itself with the actual pages pre-decoration, so you need that one first, then you need the PDF cutting guide. And we've got Steampunk Spells, but you can do it with other papers as well. This took an 8x8 pad. So we'll go through here. You've got pockets here and here, and that one lifts up, and you've got more pockets here. You've got photo mats here, and then this one pulls out. Got pockets there. This is your base page, and it's got a dimensional pocket in it, which goes in there. And then if you go back the other way, you've got more photo storage here and here. And don't do what I did, which is stick the balloons on upside down. So hope you've enjoyed it, and once you've made yours, please don't forget to share with us in our Facebook group, Cool Cats.